We are very determined to push in the technology space, looking at what are the impacts technologies would have on both the societies and businesses.
The term Industry 4.0 stands for the fourth industrial revolution, a new level of organization and control of the entire value creation chain during the life cycle of product. This cycle is oriented towards increasingly individualized customer demands.
This evening has been a continuation of our award-winning Tech Days series, and on this occasion we've been able to put on a terrific expert panel event and discussion around the theme of customer focus in digital transformation.
The setting here at the London Stock Exchange is fantastic.
We are simulating a potential future where the customer is really deciding the product.
You always have to shift back to and put the customer at the center and then try to see, okay, what do we have to do and what is the role of digital in this?
There is no necessity to apply unnecessarily digital or artificial intelligence and machine learning unless there is a clear business purpose.
As much as we like to talk about digitalization, I think ultimately it is us, the humans, that are really standing in the way.
If you want to put your customer first, you actually have to put your employee first. It's a paradox. Easy to say, more difficult to do.
If you dream big and do the thing in between, you have to also get it done at the end of the day. Otherwise it's all nonsense and then it's just a dream.
It was interesting to see their point of view from completely different industries.
It's really only when you put such an event as this together that you get all those views in one room together.
There is this opportunity to actually hear CEOs talking and hear their perspective, which is not super common. Even if we work at a company, we normally don't have access.
These are the type of events that will allow us to bring the most up-to-date industry views to our programs, and this is also the place where we can disseminate our research knowledge into the business communities.